Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thanks a lot for stopping by today. Today I'm going to show you how you can embed a YouTube video into your Commission Gorilla bonus page. It's very easy, so I'm going to use for this example TweetX. This is a launch that was done by my friends Team Alpha, and there's no demo video that I'm going to put in here. I'm just going to upload my own review video just for simplicity. Okay guys, so what I would do, I would probably do it before the bonus section here, put it right in here. So guys, if you look over on the left panel here, you've got blocks. Okay, so you want to click on blocks here, and you can see we've got text, predefined text, HTML, spacer, image, video, bonus, CTA, button, and countdown timer, social, sharing, and power up. So guys, what I'm going to be doing here is a video. Okay, so I'm going to be uploading my review video. So I'm going to bring that over, just hold on to the left mouse button, and then just leave it like that. So what I would do guys, I would go to my YouTube. So here is my review on TweetX. Now you see it says share here. You left click on there, and it's super easy. You just go to embed, and then just highlight all of this, Control C or copy, go to your Commission Gorilla. Now in this cog box here guys, you want to open that up and then paste all of that text in there, all that HTML code. Click OK, and there. So anybody that comes to this bonus video now, they can watch the review or any video. There could be a demo review, it could be a sales video. You can put that inside there, okay? So that is it guys, very easy. Now what you would probably want to do is just clean it up a little bit. So you can put a spacer up here, oops, like that. And if you want, you can keep it, change the color. You can make it white, just like that. You can put another one down below. Okay, and you can leave it clear, you can keep it white, whatever you feel like guys. Okay, and you can even put a title in there. So I could say, I'm just gonna make this background white. There we go. And I'm going to make my text a little bit bigger, about 30. And the font, you can, there's a variety of here that you can choose from. I'll just go there, and I want this to be centered. So I would say TweetX review video. Okay, or you could do TweetX demo video or sales video. Okay, and that's it guys. And you can change the color if you want. You can go with a red or whatever you felt like. Okay, so that's it. That is how you embed a YouTube video inside your Commission Gorilla bonus page. So guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope you got some knowledge out of it. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel if you haven't. Also guys, check out my website if you want to see more review videos, more information about making money online. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. You can find me on social media, like I say, my email and my website, and I'll try to help you out as best I can. All right, you guys, take care. Best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon. Keiron Hogg, signing off. Bye. Hey guys, one more thing before I go. So this was how to embed a YouTube video into Commission Gorilla. Now that's very easy, but there are some other videos like Vimeo, Westia, that are a little bit more complicated. So guys, if you want to see how I do that, check the link down below in the description, okay? Take care, talk to you soon, bye-bye.